A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant political development, Congress has swiftly passed the Epstein Files Transparency Act, a bill aimed at compelling the Justice Department to release a comprehensive set of documents related to investigations of the late Jeffrey Epstein, a notorious sex offender. The bill has garnered bipartisan support and is expected to reach President Donald Trump's desk imminently for his signature. This legislative move comes after months of resistance from Trump and Republican leaders in the House. But the urgency behind the bill highlights the growing pressure from survivors of Epstein's abuse, as well as a coalition of MAGA supporters, rebel GOP representatives, and Democrats. The passage of this act marks a pivotal moment in the ongoing quest for transparency surrounding Epstein's extensive network of powerful associates and the alleged cover-ups that have shrouded the case for years. The Epstein Files Transparency Act mandates that Attorney General Pam Bondi release all unclassified records, documents, communications, and investigative materials pertaining to Epstein held by the Justice Department, the FBI, and U.S. Attorney's offices. The timeline for this release is set at 30 days following the bill's enactment into law. However, the lingering uncertainty regarding Bondi's potential redactions raises concerns among advocates eager for full disclosure. While survivors and campaigners celebrated the bill's passage through both chambers of Congress, the Justice Department has yet to clarify its next steps, leaving many apprehensive about the actual release of the files. The documents in question stem from extensive federal investigations conducted over more than a decade, focusing on Epstein's operations in both Florida and New York. These investigations have not only spotlighted Epstein's connections with a myriad of high-profile individuals, but have also raised critical questions about the circumstances surrounding his controversial 2019 death in custody. Epstein's demise, ruled a suicide, has been scrutinized in light of allegations that he continued to engage with influential figures even as accusations of sex trafficking intensified. The anticipated release of documents is expected to include a wealth of material, such as bank records, witness interviews, and electronic communications. Recent investigations have already revealed troubling insights into Epstein's relationships with various public figures, including a controversial exchange between former Treasury Secretary Lawrence Summers and Epstein, where Summers sought advice on women. Although there is no evidence of illegal conduct on Summers' part, the mere association with Epstein has prompted concerns about reputational damage for those who interacted with him without any involvement in his criminal activities. As the bill advances, House Speaker Mike Johnson has indicated that the Senate may consider amendments to address certain deficiencies within the legislation. However, the overwhelming bipartisan support for the act reflects a collective desire among lawmakers to ensure that the truth surrounding Epstein's operations and connections is brought to light. With Trump expected to review and sign the bill, the political landscape surrounding Epstein's case continues to evolve, and the implications of these forthcoming disclosures are likely to reverberate across various sectors of society. While Trump has expressed his commitment to signing the legislation, he has simultaneously dismissed the ongoing investigations into Epstein as a politically motivated distraction. His past friendship with Epstein, which soured years before Epstein's death, complicates the narrative, as Trump has faced scrutiny over his connections to the late financier. As the 2024 election cycle heats up, the release of the Epstein files may become a focal point of contention, with implications for both Trump's political future and the broader discourse on accountability and transparency in cases of sexual exploitation. The Epstein Files Transparency Act serves as a critical step toward unearthing the truth behind Epstein's extensive network and the systemic failures that allowed his crimes to persist for so long. As the nation awaits the release of these documents, the hope remains that the act will not only bring justice to the survivors, but also shed light on the broader societal issues surrounding power, privilege, and accountability. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.